If your Shark Hydrovac Cordless Pro WD201 suddenly stops working properly, such as losing suction, shutting off unexpectedly, or failing to dispense cleaning solution, the issue is usually related to maintenance rather than a serious defect. This cordless floor cleaner relies on a combination of water flow, brush rotation, and battery power to clean effectively. When the tank, brush roll, or filters become clogged or misaligned, the system may stop operating correctly to protect the motor. Fortunately, most problems can be resolved quickly with a few simple checks and cleaning steps. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the unit and remove both the clean water tank and dirty water tank. Step 2. Empty the dirty tank and rinse it thoroughly to remove debris or buildup. Step 3. Remove the brush roll and check for hair, threads, or dirt wrapped around it. Step 4. Inspect and clean the filter and internal air pathway to restore proper suction. Step 5. Reassemble the components, recharge the device if needed, and test the cleaner on a small area to confirm normal operation.